Hey guys, Michael with Mealy Marine. In today's video, I'm gonna just be showing you a couple installs that we've done over the past couple weeks, last week or so. Let's start here with this Skeeter FXR, ZXR20. What we did is this customer, a couple months ago, he came to me, he said, hey, I want to get a 16 volt battery. I also want to get a dual mount and live scope and stuff like that. I said, okay. And so this guy thought ahead. He said, I want it wired, and eventually I'm going to put two at the console, and we're going to move some things around. So we did that for him, and then now we're coming back, and he added a Helix 12 Mega DI. So we got that up front. What was here was a Mega SI, so we moved the Mega SI back here. So we got the Mega SI here, two Mega SIs. We put a Beat Down Outdoors sliding mount. I'm going to show you a mount that was revolutionary before its time, before this came out. Here in a couple days, hopefully. But got the balls out. We had to do a custom job on the panel because, as if you do know, you might not, the Skeeter panels come prefab to hold one graph. So we cut that off. We cut a plate that's damn near perfect that fits in that hole that was there, and it turned out really nice. I don't know if you're really going to be able to see any of the work, but I really think that this is something that really does separate us from other people, that we do have the ability to do metal fabrication to an extent. We don't have the CNC machines anymore, but we still have our brains and a lot of other tools to help us make this. Whereas someone else might have charged you to, or might have had to buy you a plate, we were able to make it. So that's pretty much it. Everything's networked together. We got 3.6, so we got all that. So that one is done. This is actually it's really good mount. It's sturdy. It's nice. It's cool. It's really cool. If you don't know about them, check them out. We don't sell them. So that's that. We're gonna go outside here and we'll show you a trolling motor install that we just did, and talk about another install that we did before we did the trolling motor. So we'll go out there. All right, so this is the other boat that we did an install on recently. Before we put this new trolling motor on, or new to him trolling motor, he did a big upgrade on his electronics. He got all new HGS 12s. He got a 3-in-1 transducer, active target and all that, and he had a Minn Kota like white hand controlled trolling motor. And we had just finished taking this off of another customer's boat, and he said, hey, is that for sale? I said, I think almost anything's for sale. So we struck a deal with the guy who replaced this with an Ultrex. And so yeah, that's what we got going on. If you guys are going to be installing an Ultera on your boat with live sonar, you're gonna need a couple things. First thing is you're gonna need some kind of live sonar adapter plate, whatever this is called, so that you can actually mount this, because you cannot mount it to the shaft of the trolling motor. Second thing you're going to need to do, and we've learned this the hard way, is make sure, and it's going to look terrible, it's not going to look good, you need a ton of slack, okay, like a ton, because this thing basically tilts. It comes forward a little bit and then tilts all the way up like this, then it goes down. So, you know, it's just the nature of the beast when it comes to this type of trolling motor. That's really it for this boat. This thing is super sweet. I want a boat like this. I think it'd be great for a family boat. So, yeah, just a real short video for today, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. If you need a trolling motor or electronics part, check us out at mealymarine.com. If you want to get your boat service, we have mealymarineservices.com. Just comment down below, whatever. We do pretty much everything. So give us a shot. All right, guys. Bye.